Here we go. Yesterday, Siddiq Saab came here and we thought a program of cooking. Today is the day of our cooking program. We are at Brand Scope Academy. Mr. Siddiq, Imran, and Suhaib are ready to cook. Everyone is happy and excited. The chicken is full of energy. Fresh ingredients are prepared. The chicken is cleaned and cut into pieces. The onions are chopped carefully. The tomatoes are fresh and juicy. The spices you may see. Well, wonderful. The cooking starts with great enthusiasm. Oil is heated in the pan. The onions are fried until golden brown. The chicken is added to the pan. Now all the spices are mixed together. The delicious aroma fills the whole academy. Everyone is waiting for the chicken karahi. The food look fresh and colorful. We are waiting. Here it is. MashaAllah. Look. Finally, the delicious chicken karahi is ready. It looks very tasty and mouth-watering. We serve the food with fresh naan. Everyone sits together to enjoy the meal. The taste is amazing. We enjoy every bite with big smiles. It is a wonderful moment of friendship. We thank everyone for making this program special. It is a memorable day and at Branescope Academy. We hope arrange more cooking programs in the future. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.